Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my recipe for zucchini pancakes. It's one I came up with while living in South Korea as a foreign English teacher many years ago. It's super easy to make and also very healthy if you're watching your weight or health. Start off with 1 grated zucchini and salt and pepper to your liking. In my case, I used roughly 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt and several grinds of mixed peppercorns. Also add 1 egg and mix everything together. Then head over to the stove and ladle some batter into a heated and oiled pan. After a couple minutes, check the underside to see if they have turned golden brown. Then flip them over. Or attempt to flip them in my case. Also, just like a toddler who runs away from you as soon as he's got something he's not supposed to, keep an eye on these. I was too busy dealing with my infant daughter and checking the camera that these turned out golden black. Oops. Once they have turned out decent enough, transfer them onto a plate very uglifully because food is about eating, not presentation. Just kidding, here's a better view. To get this recipe and more, head over to my blog. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.